Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi. Stay safe, learn Excel under 2 minutes. Today I have a challenge posed by one of my followers called Juan. She said that she had a data in this format, name and qualification, and the first name is separated by a comma, and the second name comma, and the qualification is also separated by a comma. But he wants to replace the second comma with a vertical bar. How can I help her? This is the solution I provided. Note that there are a lot of ways you can go around it, solving it in Excel. You can even use the Flashfill, which I'll try to use that here. So first, let's use the substitute function. To introduce that, we start with an equal sign, substitute. We select the text, comma. What do we want to substitute? We want to substitute the comma. So introducing it, the apostrophe, open, the comma, the apostrophe, we close it. Then new, what do we want to introduce? We want to introduce a vertical bar. So the vertical bar, we open our apostrophe, the vertical bar, we close our apostrophe, then comma, then the instance. Note that here we have two commas. Which one do we want to replace? Is this the first or the second? In Joan's question, he wanted to really use the vertical bar before the qualification, so that will be the second. What means that we are replacing the second one. So 2. Then we close our parentheses. Then we enter. Voila. C. So you see that the name Fred, Anefi, MSc is now Fred, Anefi. There we have the vertical bar before we have the MSc. So quickly you can just drag it down because it's a formula, and that will be done for all. This is how smart you can use the substitute. You can also use the Flashfill to solve for this. To do that, we can just type Fred, Anefi. Assuming the vertical bar is what we want, we introduce a vertical bar, MSc. Then we start typing the second one, Eric. Automatically you see that Excel realizes a sequence and you try to solve that. So then you can quickly enter, and there you have it. That's what we call the Flashfill. By default, the shortcut key for the Flashfill is Ctrl-E. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on this channel, Fred Excel. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.